Welcome to Largo Chiropractic Injury Clinic in Largo, Florida. Our doctors offer 3 categories of safe and effective therapies to relieve your low back pain. Therapies that will help you work, sleep, and get dressed without low back pain or restrictions. Low back pain commonly results from trauma such as a car injury, sports injury, or repetitive lifting. The trauma most often results in jamming of the spinal joints, pinched spinal nerves, or even a disc bulge. The most common symptoms being low back pain, muscle spasms, and restricted motion. If you have a pinched nerve, you may also experience burning or tingling down your legs. On your first visit, you can expect our doctors will find the cause of your low back pain. Then apply the appropriate therapies to relieve your low back pain as fast as possible. The first category of low back therapies are applied to relieve your low back pain and inflammation. We offer chiropractic physical medicine to gently align the spine and relieve spinal joint pressure, pinched nerves, and disc bulges. Our chiropractic physical medicine treatment commonly gives immediate pain relief on the very first treatment. Next is our microcurrent therapy, which blocks your low back pain by activating nerve receptors in the brain. These are the same nerve receptors that are targeted by strong pain-relieving drugs, but without the harmful side effects. Another therapy we offer relieves your low back pain by reducing your inflammation. By reducing your inflammation, we can reduce inflammatory proteins called cytokines, which cause pain. As you can see, we offer multiple forms of therapy to quickly relieve your low back pain. Our second category of low back therapies are applied to reduce painful muscle spasms. Our manual muscle therapy relieves the muscle pain in your low back by working through your nervous system. The manual muscle therapy stimulates the nerve receptors in your low back muscles and acts as a spinal block to relieve pain. We also offer a nerve reflex therapy called reciprocal inhibition to relieve your low back muscle pain and spasms. Reciprocal inhibition therapy relieves muscle spasms by blocking the nerve signal that is stimulating your low back muscle spasms. Another therapy we offer to relieve your low back muscle pain is trigger point therapy. Trigger points are highly sensitive and tender knots within the belly of muscles. We gently stretch and compress the trigger points, which relieves the highly sensitive nodules. So again, you can see we offer many forms of therapies to relieve your low back muscle spasms. The third category of therapies we offer is applied to increase your low back strength and mobility. We offer chiropractic physical medicine to gently increase your low back joint mobility. By increasing your joint mobility, we will increase your ability to move pain-free. After the pain is reduced, we use active therapies to increase the strength in your low back. Strengthening the low back will decrease the likelihood of you suffering permanent and recurring low back pain. All of our low back therapies are safe and have been cleared by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Each therapy is applied based on the results of your history, symptoms, and physical examination findings. We understand how low back pain can restrict your ability to work, sleep, or even get dressed in the morning. The bad news is when physical injuries do not receive physical medicine, they often heal wrong. The leading cause of spinal arthritis is when injuries do not receive physical medicine and heal wrong. Chiropractic physical medicine can relieve your pain and decrease the likelihood of you suffering a permanent injury and recurring low back pain. Even the American Medical Association released new guidelines that encourages chiropractic before surgery. You do not need a referral from a medical provider or insurance company to be treated in our office by our doctors. And you can feel safe and comfortable with our doctors who are licensed by the state and federal government for the treatment of low back pain. Give us a call, and our friendly staff will verify your insurance benefits over the phone right now. We look forward to meeting you and relieving your low back pain so you can get on with your life. Take the next step for low back pain and call Largo Chiropractic Injury Clinic at 727-754-6641, and we're located at 1301 Seminole Boulevard, Suite B, as in boy, 111, Largo, Florida 33770 in the Plaza Center.